Good morning. So I'm back in Colts Neck General Store. Special interview to follow with Tony. But what I really want to talk about is the coming home. You had a really great vacation. I had a really vacation. 6-hour difference time zone. I'm tired. I'm dehydrated. I gained a few pounds. And what I really want to talk about is a few things. The first thing I want to talk about is don't start your vacation with too much luggage. If you're filled to capacity, then you're going to come home with overage. And that's what happened to me. I went to a lot of wineries. I went to a lot of olive oil places, vinegar places, and I bought about, I don't know, 15 pounds. I was 3 pounds over on my luggage on the way home. And that made it impossible for me to carry my own luggage, and I felt weighted down right before I began. So what my suggestion is now that I'm back home again, I need to take a look at everything that I brought on vacation and think about what did I really need and what could I have taken out. What didn't I need that was heavyweight, or what could I have left behind so that I wouldn't have so much. Now I have so much extra stuff. I bought gifts for people. I bought a lot of olive oil to like really remember all this great food that I ate. But now today is a day about self-care and discipline. That's what I have to do today. I came to Colts Neck General Store because there was no planning ahead. I had no cream in my house. And coming here made me feel like I was home again. So the first thing I want to say is coming home, you need to like really organize your day. You can't demand too much of yourself. You can't put too much pressure on yourself. What you need to do is pick 3 or 4 things that you want to accomplish today. And one of them needs to be get rehydrated, watch what you eat. And then one other thing that you want to do that doesn't have to do with your trip. You could unpack, you could start to do laundry if you do that. Whatever it is that you have to do today, but space it out, because the overwhelmed feeling will interfere with your memory. The other thing that I think is really important is today has to be a day of journaling, to write down those memories that you just don't want to forget, that are going to become your stories for tomorrow. I have so many stories to tell about this trip, but I don't want to forget them. So today, this morning, I just relaxed and I journaled all the things I'm grateful for, that I arrived safely here, that I didn't get hurt in the demonstration in Barcelona, that I had a great trip on the way home and I watched great movies and I feel really motivated. And how am I going to put that motivation into action? That's what I really want to do today. I don't want to lose the momentum because I'm tired and I'm jet lagged. And the way I believe is it's 1 hour for every hour of jet lag. So that means that it's going to take me about 6 days to come back to myself. I read tons of trees in all over Italy. I've made lots of new friends that I want to keep up with. So I have a lot to be really happy about and a lot to be really grateful about. But I need to hold on to it a little bit. And the way I'm planning to do that is by journaling. And also, I'm going to look at what I brought, decide what I didn't really need, and make sure that I take full advantage of processing all this information. I just want to make a shout out to Eileen, because you saved me on this trip. My throat was scratchy, and those essential oils of peppermint, I took 3 little 3 little round things, I don't know what they're called, every few hours, and I'm fine, I'm healthy. I fought it off, so that was really great. So today has to be a day of a little bit of self-care and discipline. So whatever you're doing today, if you're returning from a trip, just remember, journaling, hydrate, and a little discipline will get you back into life really faster. And of course, coming to the Colts Neck General Store, where everybody knows me, is a really good thing. Bye, see you tomorrow.